Hey, welcome back everybody. Chef Brian from the Gooder Cooking Show, Mari-Mann Herbs, with my friend and behind the camera as always, Alan. Say hello, Alan.
Yo.
Yo. Yo, what's up, Adrienne?
Yo.
Okay, hey, here we go. We're going to bring one to you today. Can you focus in on that one, Alan, a little bit? Get it in focus. Get it where it's clear.
I think it's good.
All right. Gooder starches. Gooder seasoning for the starches. So what we're going to do, I got some potatoes. I got some red potatoes and I got some fingerling potatoes here.
Oh no, I slipped and I'm showing the rest of the spices.
Oh, how dare you
no.
dare you be a capitalist and sell more of our stuff. Little bit of olive oil, little bit of seasoning on there, little bit of seasoning, a lot of seasoning, whatever you want to do. Hey, and what I did with these two, ladies and gentlemen, is I par blanched them. So what does that mean? I put them into a pot with some water in it that was simmering 180, 190 degrees, and I par cooked them for about, I don't know, 9 minutes or so. So they're about halfway done. So then what you're going to do is you got the olive oil on them, you got the seasoning on them. They're going to go into a preheated 350 degree oven until they're soft. Now people always ask me, well, how long is that going to be, chef? It's hard for me to tell you that because gas is going to cook different than electric, and maybe not all of our ovens are calibrated exactly the same way. Where you think you got it to 350, it might be 340, it could be 330, it could be 360, so it depends. So what you would want to do is stick it with a knife to see if it's soft. So we're going to put these in the oven, we're going to roast these off. You're going to have to come back to see the end final result product. Talk to you later, guys. Remember, cooking gooder will bring out the love in your food. Thank a veteran, because we have these videos because of our veterans, and please stand up with and respect the blue line. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye now.